Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video series, we are going to see how to launch a WordPress website in Amazon EC2 instance using a free tier account. First, I'm going to split this tutorial series into multiple parts. In the first part, we'll be seeing how to launch an EC2 free tier instance with EBS storage. I would recommend you to create an account in aws.amazon.com, and then once you land on this page you can proceed further. Click on services and then choose EC2. Amazon provides a free tier account for us to try out different services provided by them, so we are going to make use of that and see how to learn to launch a WordPress website. Click on launch instance on this page. Once you are here, choose Amazon Linux 2 AMI HVM SSD volume type this instance. So this has 5 years support from Amazon. So there is also one more older version which is 2018, and there is no active support for this. So I would recommend you to choose the Linux 2 version. Click on select, and then here you can see free tier eligible. So ensure that is check marked and then click on next. Once you are here, there is one important thing which we should do here, which is enable termination protection. So when your instance is launched and you accidentally try to terminate the instance, then it will show an alert to you. So enable this option. Next, add storage. Here the free tier account is eligible up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD. So I'm gonna go with 8 GB, which is more than enough for a WordPress website. Click on add tags. This you can just ignore and then move on to next step, which is configure security group. Here we need to add a couple of rules here to support HTTP and HTTPS for our blog. Let us choose HTTP first, and then let's add one more rule, which is HTTPS. Okay, and then once you added these two options, click on review and launch button. So this gives an overview of what options you have selected. Instance details will show what instance you chose. Storage, you can see we have selected 8 GB, and yeah, we are good to go. Click on launch. Once you do that, they give an option to download a key pair. So let us create a new one. This is a very important step for us to connect to the EC2 instance via SSH. So let us choose create a new key pair and then give it a name, and then click on download key pair. Save file. Ensure that you have a backup of this file with you always. Without this, you will not be able to log into your EC2 instance. Now let's click on launch instance. It will take a few minutes to launch the instance. Let's click on view instances. You can see the instance is launching and the state is pending. Once this instance is launched, I'll show you a quick demo of the accidental termination option which we enabled. So that way you get an idea on why we enable that option. It might take a few more minutes. Let's wait. Now you can see the instance is in running state. So let's click on actions, instance state, and then terminate. Once I clicked on terminate instance, you can see that there is a pop-up which says, are you sure you want to terminate these instances? So this pop-up comes because we have enabled the termination protection option, which is listed mentioned here. So let's click on cancel. We have successfully completed the step 1 in our path to create a WordPress website. In part 2, let's try to SSH into the EC2 instance and then install the LAMP stack. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.